just need to get them signed off, and I just need to complete the driver safety course.
Okay, I'll give you till the end of the month, ma'am.
Okay, thank
And
you.
there will be no more extensions.
Yes.
If it's not done, then we'll just expect that this will go into DPS as a conviction, okay?
Of course, thank you.
You understand? We understand each other now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, all right, thank you very much, and good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Ma'am.
Okay. All right. Next, we have Dennis Lilly. Mr. Lilly. There you are. Okay.
Yep.
Judge, this is Dennis Lilly. He received a speeding violation of 90 and a 70. On April 26, 2022, he received deferral, paid the $300 fine that was due, that is paid, plus a driver's safety course. I have not received his certificate of completion or his signed deferral agreement.
Mr. Lilly, do you have your driver safety completed?
I do, sir. I've got all of her paperwork right here in front of me. I can
Okay.
drop it off in the next 20 minutes on my way to work.
Well, we don't need quite that quick, but how about by the end of the week, sir?
That'll be fine. I pass right by her office on the way to work, so I just drop it off on the way.
That'll be great, Mr. Lilly. Thank you very much, sir. You have a good day.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day too.
All right, your excuse, sir.
All right. Next, we have Blakely. I have him as Blakely Alexander, but I believe his legal last name is Metzger. So Blakely, he had a no insurance violation on May 9th. He did submit proof that he had gotten insurance. So he was placed on deferral, 30 days to pay the fine. That was due by June 10 of $481. He has not paid that. He has provided proof of insurance, however, so I just need the $481.
Sir, can you pay the $481 today?
I'm a she, and no, sir, I cannot.
I'm sorry. I'm
That's
trying
fine.
to do two things here. I'm
Oh,
very
thank
sorry,
you.
but
That was my mistake as
You're
well.
fine. I didn't realize I was on mute. Sorry.
anyway, ma'am, can you pay the $481 today?
No, I cannot.
Have you made any payments on it, ma'am, towards trying?
My husband got laid off, and we actually had to move from Texas to Ohio, and we haven't found work yet. So that's why I haven't made any.
Would you like to do this? Would you rather do community service than pay the fine, ma'am?
Am I able to do it in Ohio?
Yes, ma'am. I don't care where you do it.
How many hours is it?
Oh, just a minute. Christy, how many would that be at
I believe it would be 40 hours if it's 8
Okay.
hours per $100. Yeah.
yes, ma'am. It'd be 40 hours community service, ma'am.
I would rather just pay the fine.
Okay. How soon can you pay it then, ma'am? That's the problem.
If I could just get it and like make smaller payments at a time.
Okay, that's why I asked you if you'd paid anything on it, ma'am, since then. I don't mind taking smaller payments, but I need to see that this is important enough to you to take care of. And so if you had paid the court something along, then I'd feel a little better about it. So tell me now exactly what you want to do, and we're going to make this one stick. Okay.
Okay.
How would you like to pay it?
I'd like to make the payments.
Okay. What kind of payments can you make?
Can I do 50 a week?
Yes, ma'am. You can do 50 a week starting next Friday.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Not this Friday, next Friday.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do you know how to pay it, ma'am?
I think she told me I could pay it with the card over the phone.
Yes, ma'am. You can.
Okay.
I just don't want to see you here next month and you not make any payments because you said you didn't know how. So I'm going to get all that cleared today.
I understand.
All right. All right, ma'am. Well, I'm gonna amend your order now and be sure no if you can't make your payments for some reason, all right, you be sure and call Miss Adams and tell her what the problem is.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am, and you're excused.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me write one thing. Okay. Next we have Heather Segura.
Dang.
Hello.
Hi. Okay, Heather, let's see. It looks like everything.
No, I didn't make my payment yet, but I did get my driver stuff in.
Right. Okay, I'm thinking, why do I have check marks by everything? But she has not paid the 275. It was actually due on June 19. It was a speeding violation, a fine of 275. She was given 150 days to pay from January to June. She hasn't made any payments. That is the only thing she has not done.
Okay, ma'am, can you make that, pay that balance today?
No, sir. I deliver for a living and I was out sick for about a good month. I had COVID. And after that, it's just my tips were down low, but my husband got picked back up at work. So if you can either give me a month, then that'll help. That'll give him 2 paychecks and I can make it half and half.
What was the total on that, Christy? I didn't write it down. Sorry.
Yes.
275.
Okay. All right. You say you need 30 days to get that paid, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. I'll give you until
Sadly,
the end
people.
I'll give you till the end of September. How about that?
Okay, that'll work. Sadly,
Okay.
people just don't tip like they used to. So some days, if I make $30, I was doing good.
Yes, ma'am. All right. We'll be sure and have it paid by the end of September, please.
Yes, sir.
All right,
problem.
thank
I can
you.
do that.
All right. Have
All
a
right,
good
thank you.
day. Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
good? I can go.
You're good. You can go.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Next is Jamil Potato. Did I mess that up? Oh, and mute. There we go. Say your last name for me.
Katato.
Thank you. Katato, not Katato. Okay. All right. This is Jamil Katato. He had a speeding violation on April 28th. He received deferral with a fine of 300 plus a driver safety course. He actually did get it all done. He just got it done about a week or so late. So he's just asking that you accept all compliance.
All right, sir. We'll accept it. Thank you very much for getting it done. You seem to be one of the few people today that are interested in keeping your license. So we'll accept it, sir. Good luck to you. You're excused.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.
I have no idea. There's like 8 of us here.
All right. And then
Have her on mute.
who do I have next? Where'd you go? Oh, right here. Trenton Whitehead. There you are.
Hello, how are you doing this
All
morning?
right. Hi. Judge Mentor, this is Trenton Whitehead. He had a speeding violation, 87 and a 70. On March 14, he was given deferral, 90 days to pay 210, 120 days deferral plus a driver safety course within 90 days. I haven't gotten anything from him.
Mr. Whitehead, have you done your driver safety course?
I started my driver safety course and then I had a mental health crisis during the summer and everything kind of got put off. And then by the time I started picking up again, I noticed it was past the date and I wasn't sure if I would be able to turn it in if I finished it. So that's why I just decided to wait until the show clause hearing.
Have you paid your 210 or can you pay it today?
I could pay it possibly later today. I still have to budget with my partner.
Okay, that's kind of a maybe. When
Yeah,
can you
I
pay
can,
the?
but I can possibly pay half of that today. And
No,
then
no. Wait. I don't want impossibles. Okay.
Sorry.
Let's deal. You're way behind. And as of some time ago, your convictions should have been reported to the state.
Yes, sir.
Had those convictions been reported, it would add points to your driver's license or whatever they're doing down there now. but it could certainly put your driver's license in a situation where it would make your insurance go up.
Mhm.
So now I don't want any supposes. You haven't,
Okay.
understand that you had a crisis and I appreciate that. But you tell me now a definite date that you will have the 210 paid and you'll have your driver and safety course done.
I can have it paid by the 26th, which will be next Friday.
Okay. I'll give you until the 1st. How about that?
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Now, how long is it going to take you to do your driving safety course?
It shouldn't take me long. I'm a teacher, so the school year is starting up right now. So I still have a little bit of time to get that done.
That's not an answer, sir. I asked you
Oh,
how long it would take you to get it done.
oh, sorry. Less than a week.
Okay. Can you have it done by the 1st of September?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll expect all this to be done and your case to be closed out by the 1st of September. Is that agreeable to you, sir?
100%. Thank you so much.
And you know what happens if it's not done?
100%. Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Whitehead, and good luck to you.
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Your excuse, sir.
Thank
You
you.
can sign off. Yes, sir.
Next, we have Kristen Jones. Kristen? Can you unmute? There you go.
Hi.
We can lip read, but not well. This is Kristen Jones. She had a no insurance violation on May 16. She was placed on deferral, 60 days to pay 331. That was due by July 16, and to sign the deferral agreement. I have not received the payment nor the signed document.
Ma'am, can you pay the fine today?
Unfortunately, no, sir, I cannot. I can pay it next Tuesday.
Okay. And how about your, you need the
Fine.
deferral agreement, was that correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, do you still have that deferral agreement that was mailed to you by the,
Yes, sir.
okay. Okay. Can you get that done in the same time period, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I can.
All right, I'm going to give you until Friday if that's, until the 1st of the month, if that's okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, please have this done so it doesn't affect your driver's license.
Can I bring in the pic? Because I work right down the street from the.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will bring-
She'd be happy to take it from you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. You're excused.
All right, next we have John Thompson. I'm gonna have to look. If you look, Judge Mentor, if you have the docket, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 violations. I'm sorry, I was gonna make it worse than it is. They are 2002, 2003 violations that had judgments on them. Public intox, speeding, insurance, another public intox, another speeding, and another insurance. 2002, 2003, they were duplicate violations. Anyway, they were not paid. So he is here to discuss those.
What's his total on those?
I will quickly add it up for you. And then 1865 even.
Wow.
I will double check to be sure. I have removed any warrant fees because he did request a court setting today. So any warrant fees have been removed, but they are in omni and collection status.
Okay, Mr. Thompson, can you pay these today?
1860.
No, sir. No, and I don't, she rattled off a couple, like two public intoxication and some other thing. I only have one of those. I don't know where, I think somehow it got doubled up somehow through but I only have one of those.
Let
back
me
there.
look. There's a
Same with,
public in-talks pending.
You say
I
it's
gotta-
pending, it has not been adjudicated.
I'm sorry. It has had a judgment. Dismissal of disorderly conduct, but public in-talks was 231 plus a payment plan of 256 due. That was as of December of '02. And then, you know what, I may have given, and then there is
I'm gonna shower and get my.
an insurance from,
I did. She takes back.
'03. That has a balance of
Who?
$365 and 30 cents.
He's got this
And a
one.
speeding from '03 that has a balance of $270 and 40 cents. Those both had judgments on them. Yeah, that he was to pay those. They were all due by February of '04. Mr. Thompson, I don't, you know what? I have a feeling on my docket, for some reason, it duplicated it. So Judge, I'm sorry. He does only have 3. I did
Okay.
give you 6, and it was my apologies, Mr. Thompson.
It's
So,
okay.
so give me a total again, please.
Yes, sir. Gosh, I'm sorry. That's, that was awful. All right. So it
So it looks like
in-talks
Then
from
1609, is that correct?
346.80, and then the speeding of '03, which is 245 of 40. And then the insurance from '03, which is 340.30, 932 and 50 cents. My apologies, Mr. Thompson.
So you sure 932 instead of
932 and
1865? All right.
932.
Mr. Thompson, that looks like it takes a lot big weight off your shoulders. Can you pay the 932 today, sir?
No, sir, I can't. And I was wanting to tell you that I've been in Tarrant County Jail from March to, and I sent in a request for time served. I've been in jail from March to June of this year. And I mean, it's 20 years ago, you know, that might not matter very much, but you know, I mean, but I was trying to get time served for it, Judge.
Christy, you have a request for time served in the file?
I do not. Hold on. No, it's for a payment plan in '09. Okay. This, possibly, let me look right here. If that person comes in, she didn't pay the late registration fee. She's gonna have to hold on because I have to get the judge to, here, let me hold on to it. I have to get the judge to approve it.
Okay.
Project Rio, Department of Criminal Justice, Institutional Division. I incurred the following charges: public in-talks. I've been in custody since September of '07. I'm enrolled in the Project Rio program. I would appreciate if you would consider my time in custody and give me time served. John Thompson, TDC number.
Okay, that's enough. All right,
Yeah.
Mr. Thompson, I'm gonna give you credit for time served for the 932. That'll
Okay.
clear you out, sir. Okay?
I appreciate you, Judge, a lot. Thank
All
you
right.
so
Yes.
much.
Good luck. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
All right,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
All right, 932.50. Yes, it was a duplicate on my docket. My apologies. So time served granted.
Right.
Okay. It was requested in '08. I finally found a date on the envelope. 8/16/2022. Okay. On all. All right. And then we have a Mr. Thompson, you're excused. Remove. Okay. The name that says Juan, is that Martinez?
Yes,
Perfect. Okay. And then the one that says Brandon's iPhone, what is your name? Brandon. Oh, Brandon Valdez, is that you? Okay. And then the one that says Administrator 34053, what is your name? You're muted. There. What is your name?
Mongwa,
Uh-oh, say it one more time.
Ruth Mongwa,
Oh, good. Ruth Mongwin.
Mongwa, Mangwa.
Okay. Mangwa. Oh, okay. Ruth, let's get you. I have to find your file. I think. Okay, you had. M-A-N-G. Okay. Perfect. Judge Minter, this is Ruth Mongwa. She actually parks so as to block a handicap parking area. On June 23rd, 2022, she received deferral, a fine to pay of $422 due by July 23rd. I need the fine amount as well as the signed deferral. No, I do have the signed document. I'm sorry, Ms. Mongwai. So she is asking for an extension to pay the fine.
Hey, ma'am, how long do you need to pay the fine?
Just until September 14th.
September 14th?
Yeah, and then
Okay.
I'll pay it.
Okay. All right. Let's make it September 15th. Is that okay?
That'll be fine.
Okay. All right. Would you make that note in the file, please?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay. All right. Mr. Martinez,
yeah,
you're frozen. There you are. Okay. Judge Minter, this is Juan Martinez. He received a driving while license invalid, a RAND stop sign, and a valet promise to appear in 2018. On March 14, the driving while license invalid was plea and bar. So he has a stop sign violation that was placed on deferral. 337 due within 120 days. That was due by July 22nd. 337, that has not been paid. I also do not have the signed deferral document on that. As well, the valet promise to appear. He had 120 days to pay 353. That was due by July 22nd. That has not been paid. I also need the signed deferral document on that.
So is the total 337?
337 plus 353.
Okay, sir. Can you
Yes.
pay the 692 today?
no, not today.
Okay. Have you made any payments? Have you made any payments on it at all, sir?
I have not made any payments regarding to, I'm in a CPS case. My kids were removed and been cutting low on hours, but I'm willing to do if you guys can help me with the payment, set up a payment plan I can do with you guys, I'm willing to pay so I can continue having my license.
What kind of payment plan would you like to have, sir?
If I can do, I can say 60 a week.
Okay. When can you start those payments?
I can start this next week.
Okay. I'm going to set your payments at $50 a week, starting a week from Friday.
Okay,
And sir, I expect you to pay these.
I will.
Not just forget about them. Okay.
No, I will.
Okay. Do you know what happens if you don't pay them?
Yes.
Okay. We understand each other then, right?
Yes, we do.
All right. All right. Anything else, Christy?
Just the deferral documents. Be sure you go ahead and sign those and get them back to me.
Can you do that for us, sir? Can you get those documents back?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Those are the ones I received, right?
They would have been attached to your setting notice today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are at home.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. You're excused, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Okay. Uh-oh. I didn't realize there was one waiting. Shoot. Okay, Brandon Valdez. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge Mentor, this is Brandon Valdez. He has a speeding violation 91 and a 70. On May 22nd, he was put on deferral. 325 due by June 22nd. That has not been paid. I also need his driver safety course certificate. That was due by, that was actually not due until August 27. So he still has a little time on the certificate.
Sir, can you pay the $325 today?
No, sir.
Have you made any payments on it, sir?
No, sir. Could I have until the 1st and I can get it paid?
Okay, you're not driving, are you?
I actually am.
Okay, pull your car over right now,
All right,
please.
hold on. Give me a second. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta get to a spot. All right. All right, I got the car pulled over.
Sir, you have any idea how dangerous it is for distracted driving?
I mean, I do, but at the end of the day, I mean, I have a job to go to, and I mean, I also don't want to go to jail or have a warrant out for my arrest.
Well, I don't either, but I can't tell you how many people in Texas die every day from distracted driving. I mean, I know you have a job, but you know, a job doesn't help you if you're dead.
That's correct. Yeah, you're right.
All right. Why haven't you paid the $325, sir?
To be honest, I totally forgot about the incident until I got this letter in the mail saying that I had this virtual hearing, and you know.
Okay. And Christy, what were his charges again? I'm sorry.
Just, it was speeding 91 and a 70.
Okay. All right, sir. How soon can you remember to pay the $325?
The 1st. I can have it done by the 1st.
Okay. Can you also have your driving safety done by the 1st?
Could I get a little bit more time on that?
No, you can't. You can't. So you can do this at home at night on the computer and you can break it down. I'm going to expect it to be done by the 1st. It should have been done way back in June.
No, it's not even due yet, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the driver
I'm sorry.
safety is.
That's why I keep going back to her. When's his driving safety due?
He actually has until the 27th of August.
Okay. If yes, you can have till the 27th off. It's my apologies. I'm making notes here and sometimes I get them confused.
You're good.
So Is the 27th okay?
Can I get a little bit more time on that? Because it's not really
Yes.
due. I just started, and I remember when I got that paper in.
Yeah, you can have until the 1st, okay?
Sir, we'll do.
All right. All right, now don't fail to do this time, okay?
No, sir, I won't.
All right, thank you, sir. You're excused.
Sir, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
All right, and this is Kim Taylor. Kim, unmute.
Hello.
Hi. She's persistent. She was on, got kicked off, and emailed me, and got back on. So good job.
Thank you.
This is Kim Taylor. She actually had a violation from 2012, March of 2012. She'd forgotten about it. It was a theft under 50. It looks like it was entered as a conviction. 246 with a $25 payment plan, make payments of $50 every 2 weeks, starting not later than 4/2/2012. And there, I do not show any payments were made. So she's here with a request. The balance on hers now, I can tell you, so it's $326.30. This is
Okay, ma'am, can you pay that today?
I cannot.
Okay. Have you made any payments toward it?
I have not. Your
Okay, is
Honor.
there any reason for that? You at least haven't made some payments, ma'am?
Honestly, there's no good excuse other than I forgot about the fine. I now have work. I'm working for my mother-in-law, taking care of her. I make about $900 a month. I'm actually asking for community service to complete the
Okay.
fine.
Not any problem. Can you do 40 hours community service?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how long would it take you to get it done?
I cannot do community service on Mondays. My sister-in-law actually has my cars on Mondays. So if you can give me 2 weeks.
Yeah, I can give you 2 weeks. How about till the end of September? That'd be all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, be sure you have it done and get it into us. Anything else, Christy?
no, it was, how much did you say?
40 hours.
40 hours. Okay. Miss Taylor, I'll send you the sign-in sheet. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And a list of places to do
I
community
don't
service.
have a list, just any nonprofit organization in your area or church.
Okay.
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 And that is in lieu of the fine. And then, as Judge Minter said, it'll be due by June 30. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. That lady, okay. Judge, you can go ahead because we don't have, yeah. We don't have anybody else waiting, Judge. I do have someone. Let me stop the recording.